Yeah, strong line of storms moving through right now due to a cold front. This is more typical for like a January through March, but we have such cold air aloft. Plus, we're also dealing with plenty of energy over at the surface, and that is really providing a lot of fuel for not only these severe thunderstorms, but at times we've seen rotation this morning, possibly even tornadoes moving through the Charlotte County, maybe even through the Highlands County area. So that's just a couple of things that we are watching. This entire red box right here is going to be a tornado watch box. That is in effect for all of Southwest Florida until about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Any of the tornado warnings that we have been tracking all morning long have since expired. So that is good news. The rotation that we were tracking has weakened, and that is a trend that we want to continue to see. But it doesn't mean the severe weather is done just yet. So again, you do have that tornado watch that's going to be in effect until 2 o'clock. Then we have this severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Lee County highlighted in yellow right here. This is stretching from South LaBelle all the way through I-75 to south of Fort Myers and through almost the Bonita Springs area. A lot of lightning associated with the strong area of storms right here. Number of strikes, 142 strikes of lightning within about a 15-minute window. Not only are we dealing with the lightning right there, but also well to the north. So let's talk about some of the strongest rain and also gusty conditions and frequent lightning that we're seeing with this storm. That's going to be moving through the Delnor-Wiggins Pass area up and down US 41 through I-75. You see that yellow box right there. There's that severe thunderstorm warning. And then I want to move through. This is the area where we were watching for rotation. It was moving through Venus, Palmdale. You were under, again, a tornado warning. That dropped as of 7:15 as we did see that rotation weaken a little bit, but still strong storms moving through your area, frequent lightning, heavy rainfall, and as it pushes closer to Lake Okeechobee, Buckhead Ridge, they are now dealing with not rotation, but really the heavy storm power that you were dealing with a little bit earlier. It's very gusty as these storms move through. We are seeing wind gusts right now up to 41 miles per hour over in Naples, 26 over in Fort Myers, 23 Cape Coral, 26 over in Punta Gorda. Wind speeds a little bit lighter than that, as they should be, up to 15 miles per hour Punta Gorda, 15 currently over in Fort Myers, and 29 over in Naples. So a lot of people are wondering, it's Sunday. I had plans, Lauren. When can I get outside? So right now, I would say Sunday service, the errands, they can wait until we are clear of all of this severe weather. But as we move through the 8 o'clock hour, we do see signs of this line really weakening, but still stronger storms over Lake Placid, stretching through LaBelle, Lehigh Acres, and then close, maybe even a couple of spotty showers, Fort Myers through Bonita Springs. Some of the strongest storms going to stretch through Clewiston into the Immokalee area. Spotty showers right here for Naples, and it looks like stronger storms over in Marco Island. By about 10 o'clock, you see that line continuing to move closer to the east coast and to the south. You still have that line, though, stretching Clewiston through Immokalee and just east of Naples. And then by noon, we're going to see gradually clearing skies, things really drying out. I wouldn't be surprised by 3 o'clock if you really start to see plenty of sunshine, just a couple of passing clouds or dry overnight. Dry air mixing in behind this front, going to make it beautiful on Monday. We're looking nice and dry, not tracking anything, hardly even a cloud in the sky. So for this morning, most of Southwest Florida is going to be at a slight risk of severe weather. Once we're out of the woods, absolutely go ahead, get out and enjoy the rest of your Sunday. But for right now, we're just watching that severe weather, and we want you to be safe. So for today, because of the storms and also that dry air, going to feel great after the severe weather moves out of the way. We're looking at a high of 82. Tomorrow, sunny with a high of 85. Plenty of sunshine for the rest of the work week, but it won't stay in the low 80s for long. By Thursday, 89 and 90 by Friday. Mostly sunny, though, so at least we can enjoy those dry, safe conditions. 7:24 is the time. You're watching Fox 4 Morning News.